To create a live campaign and execute it in Marketo, we'll start with using our internal test send as a base. This is important because the internal test send was our quality assurance. So we should use that as a base to minimize the amount of errors that could happen in the real campaign. So you need to be in marketing activities, find your internal test send campaign, right click, and then clone this campaign. So this will create a copy of this campaign, but reset all the statistics and allow you to modify the customer segment from a test customer segment to the live one. So we would clone it to the same folder. So let's select campaign folder, the folder we're in, which is Fab, and then we'll give it a name, call it live send, and add your name at the end. Click create. So what this will do is we'll take an exact copy of our internal test send, but with reset statistics. So as you can see, it's pretty much set up as we were going to run it, but there are a few things we need to do. So firstly, we need to change the audience. So in this case, rather than the test send database, we'll actually select the real one. So we could select the existing list we created, or we could create a segmentation of the main Marketo database. In this particular case, we'll keep it simple and just target our uploaded list. So then we go back to our setup, and you'll notice now there's 400 leads and 4 blocked leads, which is great. The emails are already set, that's fine. Now we'll need to create a schedule, and in this case, this would be the live schedule. We'll give it a time. So in this particular case, what's very important when you're sending live sends is that your time zone is correct. So to check that this time zone is indeed correct, you'll need to go to My Account, and then we'll go to Edit Location Settings. Just make sure your time zone is set correctly. So in this case, it's incorrect. We'll select the Sydney time here, and then we'll click Save. So this is essential, otherwise you'll be sending it at the wrong time. So coming back to our campaign, go back to the setup page, and then we'll set the schedule again. So in this case, the time will now be correct. And then the last thing to do is approve the program. So once it's approved, it'll be ready to send at the scheduled time. And that's all for running a live campaign in Marketo.